The foundation of learning is literacy. The foundation of learning is reading.
Sharing books with children also really helps their communication skills and their language.
It's a great way of sharing ideas, improving your imagination.
We want children to feel that their voice matters, and that's what we hope that the programmes will bring. So Chapter 1 is a literacy charity that has a vision of a world in which all children, regardless of their background, have the literacy skills that they need to thrive. And what we focus on particularly here in the UK is trying to close what we call the reading gap, which is the difference between children who come from more affluent and advantaged backgrounds and those who come from less advantaged backgrounds.
Hello, how are you today?
It's a platform that Chapter 1 have developed, so we can both see the same screen. All the books are on there, so the student chooses the books we want to read, we can play games on there, and we can chat on audio.
I think before I'd done it, I couldn't quite see how it would work if you can't see each other. We can talk on the phone, we can have that communication and have those conversations.
Olivia!
The latest evidence suggests that around 7 million adults in the UK struggle with reading, and that impacts their ability to function in daily life. They can't go to the supermarket and properly decide what it is they want to buy to feed themselves and their family. They find it difficult to read basic health information from their doctor.
And I think reading also has a benefit for your mental well-being as well. You stop thinking about what might be worrying you in life, etc. And if you allow yourself to get engrossed in good stories, they take you out of yourself, they take you on a journey as such.
When the project came about, it just resonated with myself as an individual and as a company as well. Then what I do for a living, head of social value, this is one of my pillars of social value. So in Bouygues, we've got 4 pillars of social value, and education enhancement is one of them. So this basically ties in perfectly with everything about education.
Hello.
To be honest, at first it was quite difficult because my student in particular was very, very shy and wouldn't say any words really, so I was just talking to her. But over the weeks you see them build their confidence and trust you more, and that relationship really grows, and you can share stories about your day, the books, and what's happening in their little worlds.
I like to think of maybe I've learnt to be a bit more patient, maybe I'm listening a bit more. I just think it's very nice. It's a lovely opportunity to do that. I do think I have learnt.
It's a very different pace to what I normally do. So it's almost like a little haven outside of my normal working week.
It's 30 minutes of your day and you're helping a child with something, a valuable life skill that everybody needs.
So you're probably a better colleague, a better friend, a better parent just from that 30 minutes you spent with that child.
Basically, good for the business, good for the individual, good for the learner, and it's good for society.